The 1956 Great Britain 1 shilling coin holds historical significance as it represents a period of post-war recovery and economic stability in the United Kingdom. In the mid-1950s, Britain was undergoing a process of rebuilding and revitalization after the devastation of World War II. The coin's design reflects this era, featuring a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side, as she ascended to the throne in 1952. The reverse side of the coin displays a crowned lion standing on a crown, surrounded by the inscription Fid Def, short for Fidei Defensor, Latin for Defender of the Faith. This design is a nod to the traditional British heraldic symbols, emphasizing the nation's resilience and strength. During the 1950s, the British shilling was part of the country's decimal currency system, which was in use until the decimalisation of the currency in 1971. The shilling was a subdivision of the pound sterling, and its design aimed to maintain a connection to Britain's rich cultural and historical heritage. In terms of value, the 1956 1 shilling coin's worth depends on various factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Coins in pristine condition or those with minting errors are often more valuable to collectors. Rarity can also significantly impact the coin's value, with certain years or minting variations being scarcer than others. Collectors and numismatists often seek coins from specific years or with unique characteristics, contributing to the overall demand and market value. Additionally, the historical context of the coin and its place in numismatic history can add sentimental value for collectors interested in British coins from the mid-20th century. It's essential to consider the grading of the coin when determining its value. Numismatic grading assesses the condition of the coin on a scale, ranging from poor to mint condition. Higher-grade coins typically fetch higher prices in the collector's market. To accurately determine the current market value of a 1956 Great Britain 1 shilling coin, collectors should consult reputable coin dealers, auction houses, or online platforms specializing in numismatics. Online auction sites, coin shows, and dedicated collector forums can provide insights into recent sales and market trends. In conclusion, the 1956 Great Britain 1 shilling coin encapsulates a period of recovery and stability in post-war Britain. Its historical significance, combined with its unique design and potential rarity, contributes to its value among numismatists and collectors. The coin's worth is influenced by factors such as condition, rarity, and demand in the collector's market, making it essential for enthusiasts to stay informed about current trends and valuations in the world of numismatics.